जुवारी मँगलोर केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीक बुधवारा 50 वर्सां पुराय जाली. ह्या निमतान कार्यावळ आयोजित केल्ली. ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकराच्या हस्तुकी एडव्हान्स यूथ अशे जय किसान ॲपाचे लोकार्पण जाले. अर्डेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Congratulate Zuari and Mangalore Chemical for having completed successful 50 years. And normally I would not have come up for a program for chemical fertilizer. So I believe that agriculture should be based on natural fertilizers and compost more than chemical, because chemical, of course, some use of chemical, I'm not an extremist, so some use of chemical can be always good, but urea for that matter is instead of helping much, it probably is deteriorating the soil quality as also the water quality in the ocean. The nitrous oxides, compounds of nitrogen are increasing in water bodies, and one of the main culprit is probably urea. So for me a chemical fertilizer is not a big thing, so normally I would not have come, but for the work Zuari is doing in the agriculture sector in Goa, a lot of people told me that you have been doing good work. So let me congratulate on you. In fact, incidentally, you may not be aware, but your first product, the first lot, I have myself sold fertilizer. Sampurna in 1919 and 28. 1919, Sampurna. While health is an equally important aspect, the central government has initiated this program of health card for the soil cards. And more than, I believe, I was speaking to Radhamohan, he told me that more than 10 crores cards have been issued already. So this 5th December, probably there will be a first milestone achieved. The second milestone obviously is based on the health card. Identify and improve the yield. Zuari can help in that. This app will not only give you database, but also will help the farmer in using many of the initiatives you have taken.
As you all know, Zuari Agrochemicals was set up 50 years back in Goa, and Jai Kisan is the main product brand that we have. Jai Kisan as a product brand over the last 5 decades has consistently supported the farm sector with nutrients, micronutrients, specialty fertilizers, and other requirements and services for the agriculture sector. We have seen over the last 10 years, the agriculture sector has gone through a lot of challenges, largely due to the climate change that we're experiencing, the various issues with respect to availability of water and other inputs in various parts of the country. We decided about 5 years back to really embark on a new journey. So this is very important for us, that these last 5 years have been really exciting, and at the same time we had a lot of learning. These last 5 years, we decided to have a deep engagement with the farmers in Goa. We started with a program called Goa Agriculture Initiative, which is currently called as GAIN. The objective of GAIN was basically threefold. We wanted as a company to be able to look at the soil health of every square meter of arable area which is available in Goa, number one. We wanted to give a program that every piece of land which is available in Goa, what is the best that you can cultivate there based on historical information that we had, based on technology that is available today, and in terms of various knowledge that we captured in terms of working with farmers across the country. And the third key objective was to ensure that in Goa farming, we have a clear focus on sustainability, the nutrients are efficiently utilized, we're able to get the organic input into it in a nice way, we're able to conserve resources including water, which people generally believe is available in plenty but needed to be